Hi, baby. I love you. We need parchment paper or aluminum foil? Let me get the. I
think it's always. Uh-oh. You hit that.
Is this infant?
It is an infant.
Okay, so.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
How are you guys doing today? So, have you guys noticed something different?
What?
My hair and then
Baby.
my baby. For today's video, we're going to be doing some sugar cookies. We've never done sugar cookies before. It'll be our first time, and we will see how we do and how we decorate our sugar cookies. But look guys, nothing else. Look at my hair. I cut my hair and I dyed it today. So it looks really nice. I'm in love with it. But yeah, anyways, we got this holiday ugly sweater sugar cookie kit from Walmart. It brings everything that we need inside.
Well, I've never baked ever in my life also, so.
But I have, don't worry. We have instructions too. Okay, we have a cookie cutter. It's sweater themed. We have the little decor. These are candy canes. These are more decor. Oh, nice!
Piping bag.
The piping bag. We have icing. We have the flour, of course, or the mix, whatever you want to call it. And then we have
Syrup? What is this? The red stuff?
the red stuff.
All right.
So more icing. Red icing, and this is white icing. So yeah, let's see how we do.
Do you know the instructions?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah, in the back. So we're gonna cut this.
You're going too fast. Hold on, I'm the videographer then.
Okay, so we're gonna pour our flour in here in the bowl. We're gonna do all of it because why not? I don't know a specific measuring amounts that we have to do. It smells like regular flour. I just want to smell it to see if it smells something different. But it's just like regular flour. We already preheated the oven for 350 degrees. We have to put eggs and butter in the bowl to mix it. So it's just one egg and then how many butter? Oh, say so 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So
You're going so fast.
I'm sorry.
You're like, it's like not even being recorded.
I'm sorry. So I did need my measuring cup and well my measuring spoon. So it's 3 tablespoons of butter. Put in the egg first. Gorgeous. We don't have any stick butter or unsalted butter, so I think this will do. Whatever butter we have. And this one is can't believe it's not butter. Butter. So
One.
Jesus. 2. And 3. I think I'll have to use my finger. And then
That just scared me. Let's
We
give a baby
mix. Okay guys, so now we have to mix it.
The floor is clean.
The floor is clean, okay? Since my son was playing with the spoon, okay? And besides, we're not selling this. Is just for us in the household.
If we don't mind getting germs on the floor, it's whatever.
Exactly.
It look dry as fuck.
Right? Butter needed to be room temperature. It says mix cookie mix butter and egg in a medium bowl until dough forms. Place dough on a light. So we gotta mix. I'm using a spatula and not the actual machine. This is how it is. So I'm gonna go in with my hands to make sure the dough forms. I'm so excited. This is the first time I do sugar cookies. Yep, Erica, that was the trick.
Oh wow.
Yeah, baby. It says place dough on a lightly flat. I don't think we have flour.
Never mind. Do the maicena. Ew.
We could.
Would it taste different though?
I don't think so.
It is what it is. There's
is what
nothing
it
else
is.
that we have.
Exactly. Okay, so can you give me? Hopefully, with that, it will not get fluffed up. Let's pretend that was flour for the sake of the video. Okay. Oh.
3/16 inch thick, or whatever that means. So pretty thick.
Semi-thin, between thick, however we want to, honestly. For the elemental, it's a little bit annoying.
That just smell like everything.
It's hard to put it flat.
You good? You good?
I think this is fine. What you think? It needs to be flatter?
On this side, maybe?
Can you pour a little bit more in my hand?
I don't know how much. Oh, okay. So if we do the aluminum foil, are they gonna stick?
That's a good question. I have no idea.
Should we do non-stick spray?
Okay, guys. So we have our sweater.
I want to do the first one.
Okay, you want? That's so cool. I hope it's not blurry.
All right. What do I do next?
This takes craftsmanship.
All that effort that you just did. Oh, let's not be stupid. Go. I'm scared of this.
Me too.
I feel like there could have been a better way.
Oh, that's smart.
At least I don't know.
Put cornstarch in it.
Stressed.
Don't worry, we got this. This one fucked up a little bit.
They're super fucked. We'll be back.
Yes.
With like the final product because, well, not the final, but the dough product before we put it in the oven.
I swear, I've seen it. People make it. It does not look this difficult.
Isn't baking supposed to be like peaceful?
Right? It's not peaceful.
So we decided to do different shapes instead of the cutout because the cutout was really fucking us up and it looks disgusting.
Yeah.
So we free-handed the other shapes.
I mean, at least we got two really good ones. If you guys have toddlers and you guys have these things to block their cabinets, they do not work. They will grab this like if it's nothing.
Yeah.
So get rubber bands or something else. All done. Our designs weren't planned to be how it is right now, but it looks pretty damn good. I'm gonna show you guys real quick.
I just have the freaking water going. Seems like.
So here it is, our creations. Does not look so bad. At least we have two really good ones.
Yeah.
And the rest is whatever. But it's okay. It's okay. We're still gonna enjoy the process and we're still gonna decorate it and we're still gonna eat it.
So yeah, I forgot we had to eat it.
Yeah.
I mean, decorate it.
So we will see you guys later. Okay guys, so our cookies are done. They don't look the prettiest, but it's okay. After it's decorated, it's gonna look way better and we're the only ones that are gonna eat it, so it's fine.
I didn't know how big it was gonna get though.
Right, me neither. It got really big. So let's see what we create. Okay now guys, so
Oh my god.
we have to put this icing in this piping bag.
You know what that looks like?
I know, but it's normal, okay?
What does it look like?
Period blood.
Yeah. What does it taste like?
Cherry.
That was not the consistency that I was thinking.
Go down.
You struggling?
Now we just need to cut the tape. These scissors suck. It's so satisfying.
Alright, so this is what this looks like. Looks like a red blood bath.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. I'm proud. I like it. We already did the base. Now we need to decorate the cookie.
Oh, we have to do that too.
Yeah. So
I don't have a decorating.
this, we get the icing. It's too much work.
It is a lot of work.
Okay, so we have to outline it and make the designs.
I just think it takes too long. Like imagine having kids and then you have to like make it, then you have to bake it. At that point, my attention span is gone.
True.
I'm gone. I'm out of the kitchen.
I do agree. So I feel like for me, if I make it again, I would just put sugar on top and that's it. Like him. That's why we just have to do the sugar on top and that's it.
What the fuck is wrong with that sweater?
I don't know. I think this is the person. No, it's not supposed. It's okay. Cute.
Oh, Jesus. Sure.
I don't know. It looks like
an S.
I don't know. It didn't mean. I did not meant to do it as an S. I kind of want to. I'm picturing it as an ornament. I'm challenging myself with the baby on top of me. Baby.
What does it taste like? Does this taste like sugar?
Yeah. No.
I'll taste it here.
Definitely saving it when I make cupcakes again. Okay, wait, hold on.
Come on.
Wait. This one.
Cheers. Our first sugar cookie.
Cheers.
Oh, the cookie itself is good.
I say this, for a sugar cookie it's hard because sugar cookies are supposed to be more soft.
Really?
And they're supposed to kind of like melt in your mouth. It's a little bit hard, and we also put too much icing. Regardless, we're gonna eat this. Another note, we should have added like sugar.
Why as fuck? We had to switch cameras.
Yeah, we had to switch cameras because my camera died. The cookie itself is not sweet because usually the sugar cookies are sweet, but they're really soft. So good. This one's good too, but I feel like the icing overtakes the cookie. Do you agree?
What do you think?
What do you think?
It's alright.
Thank you for giving us your opinion.
Want to try it again? No. Probably not.
I will definitely eat it again just because I like sweets, and I'm not gonna let these cookies go to waste. Duh. Next time I will definitely make it. It's just I will definitely buy the platter that has all the cookies already shaped, so that way we don't have to shape it. And yep, and I'll put like sugar on top, probably like that, or just put icing, but a little bit less icing, way less icing. If you guys enjoyed this messy video, comment down below. So we will see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.